right. Here we go. Possibly. This is the first step to finding out more about me. Where'd it come from? What am I made of? What are my traits? It'll even tell you personality traits. I'm Hanala Segal, and this is going to tell me exactly what a Hanala Segal is. Sometimes I'll go to the doctor and they ask me that dreaded question, what's your family history? Well, I don't know, because both my parents were in the Holocaust and lost all their family members. So it's pretty much of a guess, till now. So which test? There's the 23andMe versus Ancestry DNA. So I'm going to do both, which requires a lot of saliva. I can't wait to see how right they are. And remember, I've ordered 2 tests, so I'm doing this with 2 separate companies, and let's see how right they are. That'll be coming up after I get my test results, and we'll be going live with the test results, so make sure that you ring the bell and subscribe if you want to find out, you know, what I found out. And now I've talked so much I've run out of spit again. Ding! Okay. There must be spit. It's kind of from a song. Okay, I don't eat meat, but I do know what makes me salivate. So this is my trick. I'm watching this, and I've also like smelled some stuff that's cooking, and I'm hoping that that will give me saliva to fill this tube up to here. All right, at this point, we close this and then we remove the funnel. We have figured out how to get this thing off. The funnel does not come off that easily, but it twists. See? Twist off, twist on, and now it goes in this biohazardous baggie. And now we send it, having pre-registered online, we send it to the company. And you could tell through the mother's mother, like where you hail from. And that's what I want to know too. My mother was from Poland, but Poland and Russia, depends the years, they say. All right, so ring the bell, subscribe. I'm Hanala Segal, and who are you? Don't throw away the box that it came in, because it's the same box it goes back in. Woohoo! 23andMe. Let's see what I'm made of.
Yeah, what you're made of. Good stuff.